Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is G&G Farm, where we share real farm experiences, lessons and practical poultry education. In this video, I will take you through how we finished the coop before arrival, how we received and counted the chicks, what we put on the floor and why, feeding and watering on day one, stress management for chicks, and the challenges we faced, including wind weather on 1 week and 1 week chick. This is real farm day, no filters, so let's get into it. Before the chicks arrived, we made sure everything was 100% ready, because once chicks arrive, there's no time to start fixing things. First, we prepared the floor properly. We put dry grass on the floor to act as the bedding. Bedding yedu, we use grass. Grass rakanakira kuti after 6 weeks tinozotengesa futi manure to cattle farmers, unlike other materials that are used for bedding, vana shavings, what anozonedza mani, like you cannot recycle them. Then this also grass bedding also helps absorb moisture, keep chicks warm and prevent food problems. The grass also makes the floor soft and comfortable for day-old chicks. Clean dry litter is very important when receiving chicks, especially in the first week. As you can see, on top of the grass we placed these black plastic sheets, because it makes feed more visible to chicks, and like tikasiya zviri magaba azvo umu inenge iri shoma, but if we spread the feed pamaplastics tove tichingofamba tuchidya, feed inenge iri pese pese, because it's also important for the chicks to feed. It also helps chicks easily find food during their first hours. Ipapo vangototsveta ipapo pamaplastics, tunobva twatotanga kutoona kuti feed twakutotanga kudya. This is very important for early feeding. And also andimukuona tatomukira kuvesa moto panzavo. Heating is life for the old chicks. Tunofana kupinda makutodziya kudhara, saka sofa muri kutodziya kana paipi irikuta kupisa, nemuchitodziya dhara motodziya 3, 4, 5 hours, kuti moto totovesa 3, 4, 5 hours before arrival. So tunopinda matopika zvese, hakuna macorners anenge achitonhora kuti maarea toda kuti the whole area mese muno pasina kana putinya kwakaenda ukona ukanaka chingodzirwa kari ikoko. And my heat pipes edu are fully positioned, and like pa previous video andinokuona kuti anga asipo tasati maisa, tunomaisa toabvisa futi, toabvisa ma 2 to 3 weeks. We remove the pipes kuti dzisasaise heater dzinenge dzakungodzirwa nefetias sezvo dzinenge dzakura. Then also in previous video taitaura now ceiling yaive ichiiswa paipa, and right now this is the result. Ceiling yedu yapera munenge makadai, so to filter it, also to prevent it from escaping ichienda kumusoro kwesoko. Then windows edu are fully covered, ende nhasi kuri kutotonhora, kune mhepo isiri kutomboita, so mhepo iyoyo haitombofanira kupinda muchirugwi. The house should be fully covered, kuti mhepo hapana mhepo inotombopinda, hapana chando chinotombopinda. today is quite windy, so proper covering is extremely important. Cold stress can kill chicks very fast. Tuntu wacho turi fragile, tontoda heat, totoda muheat chai cozy. Weather conditions and management, today is quite windy, very windy, and wind is very dangerous for chicks. That's why windows are fully covered. It is closely monitored. The ceiling helps maintain stable temperatures. Muno muchirugwi, wind plus cold equals high mortality, especially in the first week. Always remember, temperature management in 1 week determines your entire project success. Munozoti pay sometimes because mukasamonitor temperatures panozoitika iya inonzi chi arthritis. Una huku yakangotsvuka miri wese so asikanta. Now this is the most important moment when receiving chicks. Amungoreceive kuti kwaibvinzi kwamara kuukuru kupi kwese vakaverenga tunhu vari mabooks anenge arimo tongoti asi zvakaverenga isi tongoya totsveta muchirugwi tongoya tichidurura machicks edu muchirugwi. Muchitenga ikoko munoverengerana ikoko kushop dzinoverengwa machicks anoverengwa kushop. Achisvika pano asati apinda muchirugwi we also count them. Nyangu mabooks akawanda zvakadii, nyangu dzikava dziri 1000 akadii, tinotoverenga. Anoverengwa ese uchibata 4 for 1 2 3 4 5 6 kusvika ku25. Ende kazhinji kuda kana paine maextras tinotoarekodha futi. Kazhinji kacho pane extra 2 extra 1 extra 3 extra 4. Zvese izvozvo tinotoita totorekodhera nevakomana vanenge varipo pakureceiver. This is the most important. Totonyora kuti tareceiver books iri tareceiver 101 102 103 so that for easy record keeping. Kana taane total yedu yemachicks edu ari muchirugwi, pakafa 1 toenda kurecord keeping pafa 1, pakafa 3 tonyora -3, pakafa 4 toenda tonyora -4, so that padzinozobuda pa6 weeks mafigures edu anofanira kunge huku dzinenge dzirimo muchirugwi nezvinenge zviri pabhuku zvichifanira kufanana. Saka hatidi kuti zvonzi pamwe dzakauya dzakazoti zvinoitika zvinhu izvozvo. Counting is very important. Counting and recording very very important. This is very important kana uchiita chicken farming. Uchiita chicken farming yema large numbers. Simple dzedu kana dzinenge dzatoitywa kumashopu dzirimo zvadzo dzavekana mashopu, but kana dzatosvika pachirugwi reda kuti counting iyo inofanira kuita very fast, totodzipinza mubruda medu. So we also have to avoid keeping them outside for too long. It was after counting, we gently placed the chicks into the coop, feeding on plastic. We spread the starter feed directly on the black plastic. This helps chicks naturally peck at the ground. They find feed faster. It encourages early feeding. Early feeding improves growth and survival. The first 24 hours are very important. As for water, we added stress pack. This is very important because paunodzi transporta pepa dzichigutywa dzichiita sei zvino increase stress. So ukaisa stress pack pamvura yadzinotanga kumwa to reduce stress, then inobooster futi immunity, inoregaina energy. I see taisimboti kudhara tichatanga tine mahuku timamungi toti 25 sata mumuzivo zvemastress packs izvo taingoisiwo mvura ine shuga kana usina stress pack. ngoisa tushugarwa kokurunga woisira ukutotumwa, then zvinobatsira futi for the chicks to adjust quickly to their new environment. Transport is very stressful for the old chicks, so the steps is not optional. It's not optional, it's a requirement. As for observations and challenges, we noticed most of them were active, alert, avid. As you can see, almost all of them, they were already feeding and drinking. They were spreading evenly under the heat. However, one chick, only one, was weak and dull. This can happen due to transport stress, weakness from hatching, and cold exposure. We separated it slightly and monitored it closely in poultry farming, but unfortunately, if you are planning to receive chicks, remember these key points. First, finish all preparations before chicks arrive. Heat must be on at least 3 to 4 hours earlier. Always. This heat aspect is very important. And also always count your chicks. Use stress pack on day 1. Chick behavior, not just numbers. Kudza kusvika dzikona kwiyo dzitarise dzese uone kuti hapana kari kurwara here, hapana kakadai here, hapana kakadai. Kana paine tinoi turi wiki wotuselekta toendopa twega kutanga kureceive special care. Protect chicks from wind and cold. Kutonga is tombori option. It's all about heat when it comes to chicks. Heat 24/7. Hapana kuti zvinoma kupisa muno rikati mboda. It's about the chicks. This is just day 1. And this is just day 1 of our 1000 broiler chicks journey. In the next video, I'll be sharing daily management, feeding programs, growth progress, challenges and lessons, and the real results of this batch. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment with your questions and advice. Subscribe so you don't miss the next update. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and welcome to Real Farming.